Welcome to the world of hotel success. In this video, we'll explore 9 strategies to boost your hotel bookings and increase room sales. Start by understanding your key target markets. Identify your unique selling points through research to tailor your marketing activities. Create a website that converts. Prioritize speed, navigation, and engaging content. Build the website for converting visitors to purchase by making sure your offers are visible clearly. Boost your reservations and profits with direct bookings. Integrate an online booking engine for a seamless experience and train your reservation team to sell efficiently. Build credibility by encouraging reviews. Collect essential feedback to enhance your service and encourage word-of-mouth marketing. Explore long-stay offers to cater to the rising demand for flexible accommodation options. Also come up with offers based on various need periods. Stay relevant by refreshing your marketing. Dive into Instagram, offer mobile-only promotions, and leverage metasearch channels for wider reach. You can also partner with local business and engage with tourism boards. Plan ahead for seasonal opportunities. Align sales and marketing strategies to capitalize on high-demand periods. Similarly, plan for low demand and take action. Another way to increase room sales is by evaluating the cancellation policy for your hotel. Find the right balance to avoid losing sales due to inflexibility or excessive flexibility. And finally, look at upselling as an important tool to increase room sales. However, when upselling, you don't want to seem pushy, so treat it as an exercise in awareness rather than a sales pitch. Make sure guests know what options are available to them, but let them initiate any further interest. So there you go, 9 quick tips to increase room sales in your hotel.